Our home presents the 5 best furnace filters. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Filtrit MPR 1020 by 25 by 1 Microallergen Defense HVAC Air Filter. The model is highly cost-effective. The product can last you up to 2 years without having to replace it. You have options of fiberglass, electrostatic and washable filters with this brand. You'll find most of the user experiences to be quite positive, which is evident through the high ratings. You can expect the particles from mold, dust mites and pet hairs to be effectively trapped by the product. The unique MPR evaluations help the brand stand out amongst the competition. Coming of our list at number 4. AirCare Electrostatic Washable Permanent R per Carat Furnace Air Filter. The AirCare furnace filter is specifically designed to trap all kinds of particles through electrostatic technology. You will no longer have to worry about dust particles, pollen or lint. These are quite effective with smaller furnaces as well. It guarantees to trap up to 94% of the total airborne allergens and dust. Moreover, the antimicrobial material offers additional help in cleaning the air. However, the MERV ratings are on the lower side with this one, which essentially refers to the reduced efficiency. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Trian AirBear 2591 12102 MERV 11 Filters. This model has been on the market for more than 60 years. The brand is owned and headed by Johnson Controls. These filters are respected due to their technological advancements and the HVAC knowledge which gives them their uniqueness. Trian model is very respected for the production of pleated, fiberglass, disposable filters as well as the polyester. The disposable filters tend to be cheaper and effective for medium tasks in the home. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Filtrit MPR 1214 by 24 by 1 Allergen Defense Odor Reduction HVAC Air Filter. Filtrit models on the other hand are among the best filters on the market. They are cost-friendly and can last up to 2 years without replacement. They exist in washable, electrostatic and fiberglass options. They have been on the market for a very long time and most of its customer reviews are positive. This is because the model delivers what other brands do not. They are also among the well-known and best-selling models on the market. They are able to trap particles from pet hairs, dust, mold and dust mites. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Nordic Pure M86 MERV 8 Pleated AC Furnace Air Filter. The Nordic Pure Air Furnace Filter is able to capture all the airborne particles such as mold spores, dust and pollen. The filters are disposable, washable, and offered in fiberglass material. With its electrostatic filter material, the brand offers a healthy environment. The furnace filter is antimicrobial and hypoallergenic, which offers additional effectiveness. The product is manufactured in the United States, ensuring you high quality. It ensures you a mold-free functioning with the non-woven filter material used. The product requires being changed within the time period of 1 to 3 months. For more information, check out the description underneath the video.
Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.